Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Lighthouse for audit reports and SEO fixes step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Google Lighthouse website. If you don't have Lighthouse installed, click on the download link for your specific browser. Once installed, navigate to the web page you want to analyze. Right-click anywhere on the page to open the context menu. Select Inspect to open the Developer Tools. In the Developer Tools panel, locate the Lighthouse tab. Click on the Lighthouse tab to open the Lighthouse options. Select the type of report you want to generate, such as performance, accessibility, best practices, SEO, and PWA. Choose the device type for the report, either mobile or desktop. Click on the Generate Report button to start the audit. Wait for Lighthouse to analyze the page. Once the report is generated, review the score and recommendations provided. Focus on the sections that need improvement, such as performance and SEO. Take note of specific issues highlighted in the report. For SEO fixes, review the suggestions related to metadata, alt attributes, and page structure. Implement the recommended changes on your website. After making the changes, return to Lighthouse and rerun the audit. Compare the new report with the previous one to measure improvements. Continue to refine and optimize your site based on the insights gained from Lighthouse. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.